Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create the library book checkout tracker in Appsheet. So basically what we will do is first sign up to Appsheet, obviously. Then you have choice between apps and database. So first we will create the database. So for that I will start from new database. Now here there must be one default table here. We can ignore that and create a new table. Now here let's rename the database in between. Let's give it something like mydb, and then we can also label these new columns. So by default we will keep the one that are here, right? So if I delete this column, I will start from student id, right? So student id should be number, so choose the number from the type, right? And then save this. You can also make sure to use it as label. Now I will remove the existing column which was previously label. Second would be book title, should be in text. Then comes the email, which I am going to set to email as format. There should be a type, if I'm not wrong. Yes, there is. Another thing is adding the date. You can also use a formula for duration. So it would be like the return date minus borrowed date, right? So you have the duration, right? So here I will be adding borrowed date, and I will choose the type which is going to be this particular date. Then there is also one more date which is return date, and for that also I will use date and time as date and save this. So we have like these columns here. You can also add duration and then notes, right? So duration should be one of the time, right? And I can save this. Finally the notes, which are going to be in text format. So I will save this. Right now I will also rename the table as book checkout, and this is the table name we will remember when we are importing it in app. So I will save this, and if I go back to Appsheet here, and I will try and create a new app from existing data. So now here I will use book checkout tracker as app name. I can also name this as inventory management. So we got category and app name. Next is choosing the data source. So I will be picking the Appsheet database where you have this MyDB data, and if I select from that, there will be two tables, checkout and table 1. So I will uncheck the table 1 and create the app. Right now the thing is I have to also take a look at the view for this particular app. Currently we don't have any data, so nothing to view. So even if it shows, the view will be empty, right? So here you can see we need to go back to views, right? So within views you can see I can take a look at the table approach, and I can sort or group by borrowed date, or again with student ID. I will save the settings and I will move to the desktop view. So basically on desktop view you will have to check the options. Here you can see it is choosing the lower case book checkout, right? So I will be choosing uppercase first word and pause. Right, so the now noise is out, so I will try and add the entries. So here we will start with 101 ID. Let's let's say okay, something like, right. I can also add the email for the user. So user1 at email.com. Then borrowed date should be like 10 and return date should be today. So it's like total of 3 days. I can mention it here along with second and so if I want to, right, including the hours. If I make this as a text column, that would be much better, so that I can manually just add 3 days, 4 days, right. I will save this and you have the book checkout entries here. If you click on it, it will show up all the posted data, right. So this was your library checkout tracker in Google Appsheet.